hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can make money from Binance without trading cryptocurrency. All you just need to do is to perform some little activities and start earning for yourself. Alright, you just need to make some few USDT available on your funding wallet and do this. It's very simple. So before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Alright, so if you are seeing this, then you are lucky, and all you just need to do is to dive in quickly before times goes by. Alright, so all you just need to do is to quickly navigate yourself to Binance launch pool, and let's see what is there in the launch pool and what is current in the launch pool that you can earn from it. Launch pool is a place you can always visit. You can always visit to see a lot of coins that you can stake. You stake in this place and you make a lot of volume for yourself. Okay? So what would you do? All you just need to do is to lock some USDT or some FDUSDT or some FDUSD or some BNB. Alright? You just lock few and make a lot for yourselves. Maximum you're going to lock this is 3 days. Okay, you will lock this for 3 days and you're going to make a lot for yourself. So what are you going to get in return? You're going to get BIO, which is the bill. It's currently ongoing, so do not be left out. Alright, do not be left out. And as you can see, a lot of people are participating on this. A lot of people are participating on this. The current people that have been logged, is over 15 billion USDT. Okay, the fund that has been raised is over 211 million USDT, and the project launched is 101. So what are you still waiting for? Okay, you can see this total airdrop is appearing here. What is the total airdrop? The total airdrop is over 996 million. The project duration is just 10 days and it ends in 3 days. You can see this project has been going on for like 7 days now. Okay, it has been going on for like 7 days. A lot of people have been participating and a lot of people have logged a lot of their USDT here. So all you just need to do is to lock yours now, okay, and earn a lot in returns. But what exactly do you need to lock here now? What you just need to lock here is FDUSD or BNB. These are the two things. These are the two coins you need to lock here. Alright. So all you just need to do after having this available, you're going to come to this place to lock it. Alright. The moment you click on this, it's going to show it to you. Is that your fund still in USDT? If it is in USDT, then you have the chance to convert it. Alright. And if you do not have anything in your wallet, like your wallet is empty, you need to fund it, then it's still giving you the chance here to buy. Alright, it's giving you the chance here to what? It's giving you the chance here to buy. So after buying, you just lock it up. Okay, after you have secured some of this FDUSD, you just lock the rest. You just lock it up. And if you lock it up, it's going to be, you are going to redeem it after these 3 days. Okay, you redeem it after these 3 days and make a profit. And what profit are you going to make? You're going to make profit in BIO. All right, it's currently ongoing, and this is what you're going to be rewarded on. You're going to be given some piece of BIO for free after staking. All right, so this is just it. All you just need to do now is to focus on it, dive into it like right now, and start making for yourselves. All right. I will be stopping here. If you do have any question, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay. Sorry that I'm posting this late, but there's still a chance for you to earn for free. See you in my next class. Bye.